Hi guys! I know this video is kind of short. I am still experimenting. I'm still trying out new things. I am not trying to solidify exactly what I want this channel to be yet because I want to try all these different ideas and see what you guys respond to the most, what you like the best, what works. I can't find that out unless you comment and tell me what's working, what suggestions, what you like, what you dislike. Any ideas that you have. I am reading your comments and it's the best way that I can learn. It's the best way that I can grow. I am so thankful for you guys, all your support, all the likes, all the comments, the shares, everything. You guys have been driving me to be a better person, a better YouTuber, and that is incredible. I can't believe I have almost 15,000 subscribers. I never thought that would happen, or at least I never thought it would happen in such a short span of time. This has been growing and growing, and I can't catch up, I feel like. But I'm having so much fun learning. I'm having so much fun trying new things. And with all that being said, drum roll, I'm going to be uploading 2 videos this week because this one was so short. The other one is also kind of experimental. It's different, and I'm so nervous about it, but all in good fun. I really think you'll like it. I really hope you'll like it. And I can't wait to see you on Wednesday. So I will be uploading then. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see you then.